Hi people, today we are in Bournemouth, and we're in the Carrington House Hotel, which is owned by Britannia. I booked a single room, so should we take a look? Right, as you can see, I actually got a double bed. I said I did book a single, so pillows are nice and firm. Let's see what, yeah, clean. It's got a mattress protector. Yeah, clean, just a bit of fluff, that's all. So yeah, very clean. So, and then we've got our towels there. Got a wardrobe there as well. Excuse my bits. So you got an iron there. Only 2 coat hangers though. Got a fan. So yeah, only 2 coat hangers, which thingy. You've got this desk here with leather type of chair. Looks clean as well. And we've got a kettle. Yeah, definitely clean. Yeah. Yeah. That one's definitely clean. And then we've got our milks, teas, coffees. No coffee. What is that? Is that coffee or brown sugar? That looks like brown sugar to me. So yeah, no coffee there. Yeah, that's sugar. So no coffee, just tea there. I'm not a tea drinker, so I'll grab some coffee after. And then you got all the notices. Basically, they've got a swimming pool here as well. So different times, your checkout time and all, and your breakfast. And you got a bar here as well, and they do evening meals, dinner as well, which I believe is 3-course buffet type. So, and then if you've got maintenance issues, put on this as well. So drawers there. And then, as you can see, the carpet seems quite clean. Got a window here. So, yeah. And I got TV as well, which I've already put it on because I don't want to be messing about with trying to put it on change channels. So, got a hairdryer here, a Port Anthony one. Nothing in them. Radiator here. Again, nothing in these. So, and the bed looks clean, but just a bit frayed bed there. But that's not an issue. No. So, you've got your towels there. You've got a bin there. You've got a plug socket there. 2 plug sockets there, another one plug socket there, another plug socket there, so plenty of plug sockets. But is there any by the bed? No plug sockets by the bed. So yeah, none by the bed. Nearest one's that one. Right, let's have a look in the bathroom, shall we? So, we've got a bath here. Oh, towels there as well. So, that's where they should be really. I don't know why they put them on the beds. So, the bath looks okay-ish. It's clean. So, it is clean. It's just very worn, I think. Not very warm, but yeah. the shower curtain. It looks quite clean as well. Let's have a look at the shower. Yeah, it's pretty clean. So you've got your hair and body wash there. You've got your toilet roll there. Let's have a look at this toilet. Yeah, that's clean too. So, and you've got a shelf there, and you've got coat hooks there. I say coat hooks, you say hook for your dressing gown or whatever, I suppose. Hand soap there, and your sink, and you got a Britannia soap. Actually, it don't actually say Britannia on it. Taylor of London. Normally it says Britannia. So yeah. And you got your shaver's socket there. You got one up there as well. Let's see if this works yet. It works in your mirror. So, but yeah. So, looks clean. So yeah. Definitely clean. So, but yeah, I paid £61 for 2 nights here. So this is the pool area. And then you've got table tennis there, and a little football table as well. And then in the other room you've got pool by the looks of it, but I'm not going to film because there's people in there. Also you've got changing rooms here as well. So you've got a ladies' changing room and a gentleman's changing room. So not too bad. Well, I'd make it £30 50p a night basically. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think of this. I think it's okay for Britannia. Oh, we haven't checked the curtains. They're quite thick curtains actually. Yeah, they are clean. They're clean. So, and the windowsill as well. But yeah, so let me know in the comments whether you've stayed here before and what your experience was like. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.